Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace, or just how to remove rear door panel on Ford Fiesta, guys, Mk7. The generation from 2008 to 2017, guys. Sedan and hatchback should be the same procedure we're demonstrating on 2015 ST hatchback. Stay with us. Let's go ahead and remove the rear door panel now. Alright guys, so we'll need to open the door, of course, okay. And what we're going to do now, okay, we'll need some door panel removal tools, screwdrivers here we have, guys. We'll have the links in the description of the video, the tools and parts that we use as well. So now we need to pry that cap open, okay, and you have to be careful, okay, not to damage it. You can see where the clip is, okay, right there. So we got the that thing out of the way now. Okay, next thing, we're going to get a small flathead screwdriver. Okay, right here there is one cap that we need to pop open, okay, on one side. I think it comes on this side actually, I don't know, let's see for sure. Yep, it's right there. Okay, we got it out. Okay, and we have a screwdriver with a Phillips screwdriver, you can see inside. So we're going to get a Phillips screwdriver. You won't need to use any much tools, guys, but if you need anything, we have it in the description of the video, so trying to make your life a little bit easier. Next we need to get a Torx 25, okay, let me show you here. Okay, the star looking bit, okay, right there. So we're going to get that, and right here, okay, there is two screws under the door handle. Okay, check them out. Those are with the Torx now. Okay, so we need to go ahead and remove those all the way. Okay, both of them. Okay, one is out, you can see how long it is, pretty long screw. Okay, working on the second one now. And they're usually pretty tight. Okay, working on this one now. Okay, we're using that panel removal tool now, a wide one, and there is a few clips. Make sure, guys, you stay with us until the end, okay, to show you where all the clips are now, because it's important to know where to apply pressure, okay, so you don't break any. Okay, you can see it's pretty tight. This one, it has never ever been removed. Okay, we got our fingers underneath once you get the tool. Okay, and you just start popping it. Okay, you can see still having some here and there. Okay, one clip fell out, so we'll show you how to fix that now. Okay, perfect. Now you need to lift it up, okay, and pull it out of the seal there. Okay, now let me show you how to disconnect this one, guys. Now let me take my time here. Okay, right here, this part you need to push towards the back, okay, and when you do that you unhook it. When you're ready to install it again, okay, let me show you. Just get it in the thing, and all you have to do, okay, I'm a little bit short here on the cable, you need to just get it on the front, okay, and push it in if you need to install it. Okay, just like that. That's how simple it is. I just wanted to show you so you know what to expect. Next we have the wiring harness for the window switch. Okay, right here you press in on that part, okay, but you need to get a small flat screwdriver or use your fingernail, okay, to press it in. Okay, here the click now, okay, like that, and we pulled it out. Oh, you guys remember how our door, okay, clip right here fell out? Okay, so all you have to do, just get them in and push them in the groove. We still have a few stuck on the door, okay, so with that clip removal tool that comes with the door panel removal tool, it's really easy to remove them without breaking them. We'll have the links for replacement ones because we bought some, okay, for the other door. We needed before we broke one or two. Okay, this one is out as well, and we have just one more now. Okay, let's go ahead and install them on the door panel and show you where all the clips are. You can see in the very rear top you have 1, 2, 3. Okay, after that, okay, you have on this side, okay, right here on the bottom, you have 2. You can see this one, and 2 on the side. So altogether we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 clips, guys, that you need to remove. Okay guys, so that's how you remove the rear door panel. When you need to install it, I'll show you how to connect the cable here. The wiring harness for the window switch, it's really simple. You just push it in, push all the clips, and install the screws in reverse order. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.